Hi guys, today I am testing out a few Dollar Tree cleaning products while I clean my house to see really how well they hold up compared to products you can purchase from your local store. I am super excited to see how well they actually work, so let's jump right into it.
I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
The first thing I'm going to be testing out are these wood furniture wipes, because I find that when I use certain products to clean our wood furniture, I always end up getting these like unnecessary streaks and marks. So I'm really trying to find something that works best for me. And the next thing that has literally been driving me crazy is the fact that our rug slips and slides, and you can find these non-slip products at HomeGoods or any of your local stores, but they are so expensive. So I'm hoping that these will do the trick. Now moving on to our couch, I am going to give this carpet cleaner, which you could also use on furniture as well, a try, because our cat likes to lay on the furniture. We spill stuff all the time, so it definitely was time for a nice refresh.
But it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
When it comes to kids' bottles and cups, there are so many different little nooks and crannies, and it can be hard to clean. So when I found this double-sided brush at the Dollar Tree, I wanted to test it out. First off, it spins by itself, so it makes it super, super easy. And then what I really love is that it has a little brush on the other end, which allows me to really get in and clean the tops of Riley's cups.
We got this.
I also saw these like stainless steel kind of like sponges, and I thought this would be good to clean out the sink. And I will be honest, I was not really impressed by them. You know, it wasn't anything special. I wouldn't say that there's anything wrong with them, but the one thing that I just did not care for is they easily fell apart, and you could really only use it one time, and I just didn't think that was worth it.
A little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and you've got nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know. We got this. Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
The next thing I wanted to test out is the LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. It is a multi-purpose cleaner, and it literally cleans everything. So this one's we've been using, and I really do enjoy it. The thing is, you do need to dilute it in some water, and I know a lot of people don't do it and they say this the smell is very strong, but yeah, it tells you depending on what you need to clean how much contents of this product plus water you need to use. And for some reason there has been these little like brown spots on the carpet. I'm not really sure what they are, and I need to get these out, especially since it's such a light carpet. So I'm going to put this product to the test and see how well it does.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop.
As you can see, the stain is completely gone. I'm also going to show you guys the ones over here that I cleaned. Gone. Especially this big one that was in this area. Completely gone.